Let's get you breaking updates coming in on the Bengal violence. The UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has drawn the line, and Yogi Adityanath has talked tough on the violence that we are witnessing in West Bengal. He says that Bengal is burning and the India bloc remains silent. Yogi Adityanath questioning the Congress, the SP's silence over what's happening in West Bengal. Asking the Congress and the Samajwadi Party to speak up over what's happening in West Bengal. Remember, we've been getting you reports from West Bengal where several families have been forced to flee from their homes. Vehicles have been torched. Men, women, the elderly, children, none being spared in the name of the anti-Waqf law protests. And after the violence broke out, Yogi Adityanath has now questioned the India bloc allies for refusing to speak up on those who have been victims in West Bengal.
आप देख रहे होंगे बंगाल जल रहा है, वहां की मुख्यमंत्री चुप है, दंगाइयों को शांति दूत कहती है। अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं, लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है। पूरा मुर्शिदाबाद पिछले एक सप्ताह से चल रहा है, सरकार मौन है। बहनों और भाइयों, इस प्रकार की अराजकता पे लगाम लगनी चाहिए और मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा इसे। आप देख रहे होंगे बंगाल जल रहा है, वहां की मुख्यमंत्री चुप है, दंगाइयों को शांति दूत कहती है। अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं, लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है। पूरा मुर्शिदाबाद पिछले एक सप्ताह से चल रहा है, सरकार मौन है। बहनों और भाइयों, इस प्रकार की अराजकता पे लगाम लगनी चाहिए और मैं
My colleague Tejasri is joining us on the broadcast with the details, and Tejasri has been reporting from the ground, getting you the first-hand information, visuals and eyewitness testimonies on the violence that broke out. Tejasri, Yogi Adityanath now asking not just the Mamata Banerjee government but also questioning the India bloc allies. Why the silence? Why don't the allies speak up on what's happening in West Bengal when Bengal is burning?
Well, absolutely. Remember that it's not just the government, not just the BJP or Yogi Adityanath who have been asking the questions to the TMC, to the West Bengal government, but the victims themselves, the residents of the Murshidabad, the people who are forced to flee from Murshidabad, they are also asking one question to Mamata Banerjee, to the state police, so as to where were they when the violence was taking place, what's happening next to them, what are the facilities that the government is going to provide, and where is the help that the government is providing them to those who are fleeing from one place to another. But the important point over here is that Yogi Adityanath is asking that why the Congress government, why Samajwadi Party is not speaking on this entire matter, why the Congress Party is not speaking on this entire matter, why Samajwadi Party is not speaking on this matter. And in fact, he has also held TMC government responsible for whatever has happened in Murshidabad district. In fact, we have also seen not just Murshidabad district but the nearby district are also affected. And in fact, we also reported today from Bhangaur area, which falls in South 24 Pragnas district, where the violence had hit, and in fact number of protesters were heading towards Shelda. They wanted to protest, they wanted to join the protest, but in fact the West Bengal police had stopped them. Remember that when the situation went out of control, it was the leader of opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, who approached the High Court and filed a petition that the central forces should be deployed. So it's a clear matter of the fact that the state government, the state police was unable to control. That's why the central forces had to come in, and now it seems like the situation is not completely under control but is partially under control.